What's good, everybody? It's your boy King Daytona. On Instagram, I posted a picture of this package, and I was talking about one of the mods I got for the car. And it's really these nice aftermarket rugs I got, mats, from this company. I forgot what it's called. I think it's like Lugs Auto Mats or something like that from Instagram. And they reached out to me, so I'm finna install these bad boys in today. Give y'all a little, it's a little dirty, but give y'all a little before and after. Before the mats were installed, and after, you know, I put them in. Go ahead, take them out for y'all, line them up. They're kind of big, so I'm gonna get back to y'all, but hold on, let's see. I think this one gonna go in the front. See, I'm gonna get back to y'all as soon as I'm done installing. So everyone, this is the finished product of those mats I ordered. Took about a month to get here, but you know, because of the pandemic and everything, you know, is a little delayed. But I love the way these look, man. These are washable. You can wash them when they get dirty. Wipe them down with a rag. Mosquito. Back fits nicely in the back, both sides. We'll get to the driver's side in a second. And this is the driver's side. Like I said, I love the way they came out, man. I just wanted to get something, you know, customize the car in my own way. I don't see a lot of people with mats in their car like that, you know. I ain't saying I'm one of the first ones, but I just love the way it makes the car look. That's it for today's video, man. Stay tuned for the next mod. Yeah, I like the way these came out. Yeah, they feel pretty good too. They don't feel cheap. I'll leave a link in the description if y'all want some. Y'all can use my my code and get like 20 or 30% off. Cause I am sponsored by them, so. Like I always say, man, appreciate everybody that tuned into the channel. Everyone watching my videos. Appreciate everybody, man. We on the grind to 1K. Don't stop. I'll see y'all on the next one.